WhatsApp introduced a new features which helps you to reserve your username. This video, I will walk you through the process on how to reserve your WhatsApp username on your iPhone device. First, make sure that the WhatsApp app on your device is up to date. Tap on WhatsApp app on your device to open it. Once you open your WhatsApp app like this, then go to the U button here, tap on it. Scroll up again, tap on accounts. Under account, you see your account, then you see username. Tap on username. Now once you tap on username, you have to save at this place. Tap on create username. Now provide your username here. If your username is available, you see this option that says next. Tap on next. Then tap on continue. If it brings out continue, tap on continue. Then tap on allow finishing. Your username has been created successfully. Then tap on done button. That's all, guys. You've been able to reserve your username on WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.